Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you how we can change the front shield wipers of the Volkswagen Yep. Mine actually after half a year of using them become making some very strange noise while they are wiping the window. I haven't used them more than 20 or 30 times during this period, but they become to sound very strange. Let me show you what is the noise actually. The wipers, we first need to put them on the service position by just turning on and off the car and putting the lever like this, and they will set in the service position. So let's get outside and change them. These are the wipers that I bought from Amazon. You can see here that they are for Volkswagen, Yep, and for some other models of the car. Link to these wipers you can find in the video description below. So let me open them and change them. These are the wipers. You should notice that one is longer than the other. The longer one is for the driver's seat, and the shorter one is for the passenger seat wipers. So now let's change them. To remove the wiper, we need to pull first like this, and you can see here there is a button that is holding the wiper. We need to press it and pull out the wiper like this. Let's do the same with the other wiper. I will bring it toward me, press the button and pull the wiper. It's not very easy with one hand, but I will do my best. Change hand here. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Now let's put the new ones. So this is the new wiper. Let me change it. I need to put it in the holder like this. You can see it, then a little bit pressing towards the handle, and it slides just like that. Let me change the other one. Again, put it into the handle like this, then press it a little bit and pull down. And this is how we change the wipers of the Volkswagen Yep. So let's now test them. First, let's reset the service position of the wipers by turning on the car and pressing the lever down, and then let's test them. Let me turn them on. Okay, they work just perfect with no noises, so I'm happy with this change. So that's it, how you can change the wipers of the Volkswagen Yep. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.